Okay, so question number 8 is asking us to find 3h minus 2m using these equations. H equals 5 in the I direction plus 2k, and m in the negative 4j direction plus 3k. So in order to solve this, what we need to do is first solve h. So we have 3, 5 in the I direction plus 2k. So we distribute the 3, and we will have 15i plus 6j. Then we can do m. So we have 2 times negative 4 plus 3. So we do this, which would be negative 8, and you also distribute the negative here, so you would have negative 8 plus negative 6. And here we can see that we can cross out these 6's. Therefore, you will be left with 15i plus 8j. This would be the answer to 3 in the h direction minus 2m. Therefore, the answer would be E, none of the above, because none of the answers are these.